Let's talk about Journeyman Refrigeration and what it really takes to build a strong, successful career in this trade. If you work with cooling systems, walk-ins, heat pumps, or commercial refrigeration, you already know how important this work is. Here's the thing, a lot of people want to advance, but they aren't sure how the journeyman process works or how to study for the exam. So today, I'm going to walk you through the full journey in a simple, supportive way. The Journeyman Refrigeration certification is recognized across the United States. Once you earn it, you can move between states, work for bigger contractors, and take on higher responsibility roles. Many technicians use it as a stepping stone towards supervisory jobs, inspection work, or running their own company. To get started, you'll need to complete the required training hours. Most states combine classroom instruction with on-the-job learning under a licensed journeyman or master. Once your hours are complete, you submit your application and get approved to write the exam. The exam itself follows a very familiar pattern. You'll usually see between 100 and 150 multiple choice questions, and you get about 3.5 to 4 hours to finish. You might see questions like diagnosing a refrigeration cycle issue, calculating superheat, identifying components on a schematic, or reviewing safety steps for handling refrigerants. The goal isn't to memorize everything. The goal is to show you can apply real-world knowledge safely and accurately. The exam is built on the National Occupational Standards, which outline the core skills, safety practices, and troubleshooting expectations for the refrigeration trade. Studying the NOS helps you understand the full picture, not just what you see on the job every day. If you haven't written a test in a long time, don't worry. A lot of people feel the same way. Start small. Break your study plan into sections like safety, tools, codes, refrigeration cycle, electrical, and calculations. Review a little each day instead of cramming the night before. The technicians who pass usually prepare for 3 to 6 months. Confidence is a huge part of success. When you understand why systems work the way they do, the exam becomes much easier. Think about the walk-ins you've serviced or the compressors you've replaced. Those real jobs are the foundation of the exam questions. Now let's talk about study tools. Solid prep materials can help you feel more ready for exam day. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find Q&A books, question, answer, and explanation resources, and online time tests that let you practice under pressure. These tools don't guarantee a pass, but they can help you focus on the right topics and understand how exam questions are structured. Everything is downloadable instantly, so you can study on your phone, your tablet, or during breaks at work. The Journeyman Refrigeration ticket opens doors long after exam day. Certified technicians often move into roles like foreperson, supervisor, inspector, or trainer. Some start their own service companies, while others specialize in high-tech systems like heat recovery units, automation controls, or low-temperature commercial systems. The credential helps you stay competitive, even during slower job markets. You're not alone in this process. Thousands of technicians across the country write their journeyman exams every year. Some are new Americans, adjusting to a different licensing system. Some are mature workers returning to the field, and others are experienced techs looking to upgrade their credentials. Wherever you're starting, you belong here. So take the next step with confidence. Build a study plan, use the right tools, trust your hands-on experience. And when you're ready to sharpen your prep, check out the helpful resources at journeymanstudyguide.com. You've got the skills, you've got the experience.